I think I should start my own game streaming channel too. क्या बोलते हो? 4 people. Just 4 people were watching his videos. Today he has 26 million subscribers and his videos have been watched over 4 billion times. But till date, he hasn't disclosed his full name or face. I'm talking about Ajay. YouTube channel Total Gaming. Popularly known as Ajju Bhai, who is featured in YouTube's list of top live streamers for 2020. He now owns an esports team and his net worth is around 15 crores. What if I told you a controller could help you take control of your life? This episode we're going to discuss how to make millions by playing games. Welcome to Dil Mange More, where every week we, the Geek Squad, will take you on a trip through a universe of astonishing innovations, high-tech tales, and curious cases of the geek world. Intelligence से artificial intelligence तक, cars से Mars तक, bitcoins से robotics तक, cloud gaming से cyber shaming तक. Geek Squad is always seeking, looking, eating, drinking, breathing, telling stories of unsatiable thirst for knowledge and information. Here is presenting Dil Mange More with the Geek Squad.
This podcast is brought to you by global technology leader Taiwan Excellence. Did you know in the first quarter of 2021, a total of 8.8 billion hours of video game live streams were watched across the world?
Gaming is a universe in itself. Every game has its own world with its own characters, storylines, and narrative, creating a whole new reality. This is why gamers find it so easy to escape and find a whole new life within these games. You could be anyone you like in a game, and the power to choose who you can be is exactly why gaming is so popular. In fact, some of these games, like Uncharted and Assassin's Creed, have such interesting storylines that they're even being turned into movies and novels. But to gamers, this isn't new. They've been streaming games since forever. In fact, the game streaming industry is as big and popular as OTT platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime. अब कोई ना कोई गेम तो सभी खेलते हैं, लेकिन गेम स्ट्रीमिंग मतलब कोई गेम खेल रहा है और आप बस देख रहे हो 5-10 मिनट के लिए नहीं, घंटों के लिए. Why would you want to watch someone play a game when you could play it yourself? Like we said, games create a universe of their own. It's hard not to get attached to these games and their storylines, and when you spend hours playing them, game streaming has helped gamers find an online community where they can interact and feel like a part of something bigger together. Also, it's a great way to up your skills as a gamer. But the main reason is still the star appeal. Live game streaming is sort of like having a Netflix watch party with the main cast of the movie you're watching. Imagine if Hrithik Roshan और Kiara Advani मूवी के बीच में आपसे बात कर रहे हैं. Quite cool, na? So gamers can talk to their favorite star gamers while they play and understand more about their favorite players. Boss, gaming is serious business. Many gamers spend their entire day working on their game streams, and apps like Twitch, YouTube, and even Facebook have made it possible for gamers to earn 6-figure salaries every month. An American Twitch streamer, Ninja, makes around $100,000 a month from streaming live on Twitch and uploading highlights on his YouTube channel. Apart from this, he has an exclusivity contract with Twitch that runs into millions. Wow, celebrity status and money for playing games as others watch. I think I should start my own game streaming channel too. क्या बोलते हो? Gamers are jumping from one platform to another, and the circus continues. In 2016-17, YouTube's biggest game streamers like Casey Neistat, Roman Atwood, and Logan Paul switched to Twitch, even after growing their YouTube audiences in their millions. This switch made Twitch even more popular, but YouTube's gaming strategy has changed over the years. Big contracts and diversified revenue streams, it looks like YouTube was listening to their streamers leaving the platform for Twitch, after all. Benjamin Lupo, better known as Dr. Lupo, signed an exclusive deal with Twitch in December 2019. But in August 2021, he switched to YouTube. This was big, not because he was the biggest entertainer on Twitch. There were and are bigger names on Twitch, but the Pied Piper move had many others following in his footsteps. Popular game streaming websites like YouTube and Twitch are constantly fighting for exclusivity deals with players to keep their ratings high. For gamers, this is perfect because it means that they have the negotiating power to earn more money. In the world space, these switching tactics are hurting game streaming platforms. But is the Indian space affected because of it? Are Indian game streamers fighting it out to get an exclusivity contract?
As a world-leading gaming brand, MSI is the most trusted name in gaming and esports, with dedicated countless hours and numerous resources to the esports community to support the world's most aspiring gamers. Established in 1986, MSI first started with its focus on the design and manufacturing of motherboards and add-on cards. And now get back to Dil Mange More with the Geek Squad.
इंडिया में gamers तो बहुत है, but game streamers? Well, surprisingly, the Indian game streaming space is already worth more than rupees 300 crores and is estimated to go up rupees 2,000 crores in the next 3 years. Really? 2,000 crores in the next 3 years? मतलब game streaming का future तो bright है boss. YouTube is India's biggest game streaming platform and the top players of gamers get the attention they love. Surprisingly, 6 of top 10 live streamers on YouTube in 2020 are Indians. YouTube Gaming, Twitch and other platforms are convenient for many Indian game streamers. But there is an issue for regional Indian gamers. Language. Local language में बात होती है तो game खेलते वक्त भी तो same language ही रहेगा ना. It is a fact that when we think of India, we only think of big metro cities like Mumbai or Delhi, where in fact, the majority of players are living in towns and villages spread across the vast regions of India. The smart and innovative Indian startup Loco realized this and brought to market a platform that makes it possible for gamers to communicate with each other in regional languages. Router, another big Indian gaming platform, gained massive popularity for its interface. Recreating the TikTok-like format for game streaming, they've made it possible to tune in without having to be focused for hours at a stretch. Swipe करो और एक new game. New game क्या? New game streamer ही देख लो? Interesting. With more than 800,000 unique users, the platform's growing popularity is taking it up in a competitive space. Router has started signing contracts with some of its top streamers, including Gyan Gaming and PVS Gaming. Established Indian game streamers are earning lakhs. Yes, lakhs every month. And when we look at their individual income, we understand why more and more Indian teenagers are embracing game streaming. So, the next time your parents scream at you for gaming too much, just shh, tell them you're preparing for your future. Live game streaming has been around for a while, but where exactly will it go in the future? No industry has capitalized on technology as much as the gaming industry has. With every new release, a new game pushes the boundaries of what is possible in games. Game streaming is taking the world by a storm, and companies like Facebook or now Meta are taking note of the fact that it has grown by 6 times in India. While Facebook Gaming has not managed to make a significant impact in India yet, they are seriously investing in the space to get a slice of the pie. Facebook took over Microsoft Mixer, a live game streaming platform. They also invested $5.7 billion in Jio Platforms, one of the most successful companies in India. Together, Facebook and Jio could be defining the future of game streaming in India. We might just move from live game streaming to VR game streaming experiences very soon. Metaverse में gaming और game streaming का level ही अलग होगा. So, are you ready to literally step into the future of gaming? I'm Dipanshi and I'll see you in the next episode of the Geek Squad. Until then, go play some. Thanks for tuning in. In the next episode, we will talk about something that goes hand in hand with watching anything being streamed. Food. More interestingly, we'll be discovering the science behind the craziest food experiments taking place. Yes, you guessed it right. we'll be uncovering all the hype and mystery behind food gastronomy. Finally, a scientific topic we all have some chemistry with.
Dil Mange More, brought to you by global technology leader Taiwan Excellence.